Hi, for those of you that don't know me, I'm Paula. I'm a hairdresser and I have been for the past 20 years. Sadly, due to what's going on in the world right now with the coronavirus, I made the decision on Saturday to stop working for now, do my bit, self-isolate myself and my family to keep us and everybody else safe. Hopefully a lot of you out there are doing this too, and then we can all get this over with as quick as possible and life can go back to normal. It is a worrying time, but we're all in this together and we can all do this together. We're making the most of the time, we're getting on with it, and the homeschooling is happening. You know, the school is sending the work over and we're doing it and it's great, you know. But try and make the most of it. You know, we've got the sun shining and we can use this time to go out in our gardens, get jobs done that we wanted to do that we've never got round to, and just little things like that. But most of all, why don't we use this time to learn something new? Every day in my job, I am asked questions by people, how to create looks on their hair, how do I curl my hair, how do I create these waves, how can I French plait my child's hair. I am going to bring myself to you virtually and I'm going to teach you how to do this. I have the time, you have the time. Let's do this. So I'm going to be uploading videos quite regularly. I'm going to be giving you all sorts of hair advice. We're going to talk products. We're going to, you know, I'm going to show you how to do all these things. I won't be using any fancy hairdressing equipment that only hairdressers have. I would imagine most of you have straighteners in your house, so I can teach you how to do this. And we can all come out of this looking fabulous. I'm even going to show you how to tidy up your husband's, boyfriend's, son's hair, because we all know what men are like. They like to keep their fresh trim on. So I will show you how to do this. This is just temporary. You men that are mine, you will be coming back for me to carry on cutting your hair in the future. Any opinions you have or anything you want to see, want to know, please message me, interact with me. I'd love some ideas. I'm going to be using products that I use on myself and my clients every day, and there will be giveaways, competitions, you know, for your sharing and your, you know, input. So keep an eye out for those. And we're going to have fun with it. Hope, you know, let's do stuff where, you know, you do it yourself. I want your pictures sent to me and your videos and things like that. You know, let's do this, and, you know, let's use this time to get all this stuff done that we ever wanted to get done. And, you know, your hair is important. Let's do this.